Made in the USA. A 2-pack of 122 Z ratchets that you don't want to miss. Check it out, a 3/8 drive 8-inch flex head and a 3/8 drive stubby ratchet. They're proudly forged, machined, heat-treated, and finished in the USA from 100% American-made premium alloy steel. The 122th ratchet design provides an exceptionally low 3-degree swing arc. The sealed head stops contaminants from entering the ratchet mechanism. The ball D10 flex head design engages in 7 positions across a 180-degree range. High-polished, chrome-plated finish and ergonomic contoured steel handles. Not to mention a collectible Cornwell coin, all packaged in a bicolor EVA foam organizer for easy storage. Support American-made tools and get your own from your local Cornwell dealer.